Okay, let's go ahead and condense the log on the right side to make it a single log. So we have log of x is equal to, that is going to go on top. So we have 81 to 1/2 minus log of 27 1/3. But it looks like we can actually compute these, right? What can I put in place of 81 1/2? 9. What about 27 1/3? 3. So when I do condense it, since we have a minus sign, the 3 is going to go on the bottom. So we have, I should write all of it out. Log of x is equal to log of 9/3. Now that we have a single log, I can go ahead and let the arguments equal to each other. So x must be how many?
33.
Done. Okay, now let's do 15. And try to write small. And I'm not going to, probably. Basically, I just can't, right? All right, so the hint says make both logs into the same base. What is the understood base when it's not given to us for logs?
10.
10, so let's write 10 right here. This one, they gave us a base, so I need to use change of base. And I want to make it a common log base of 10, so write that on both. This is going to go on top, and that's going to go on the bottom. X minus 2 and 0.1. The part that we can compute is the bottom. We have no variable. So this is basically telling us 10 to the power of something, that's a question mark, is equal to 0.1. And then 10 to the power of something is equal to, what is 0.1 in fraction? 1/10. And then I could even go on further and say, well, that's technically 10 to the -1. So that question mark is equivalent to the what? -1. So all this is -1. All that is -1. But the way I'm going to write this one is going to be -1 out here. And then write out log base 10 of x minus 2 is equal to, not equal to, plus log base 10 of x is equal to 1. And then when I have a number in front, that really goes on the top as the exponent. So we have log base 10 of x minus 2 to the -1 plus log base 10 of the x is equal to 1. Now let's go ahead and condense it. Because I have a positive log and positive log, we're going to multiply them. So log base 10 of x minus 2 to the -1 times x is equal to 1. And now we can drop and cross. Drop the 10, cross the 1, and everything on that side is going to be on the right side, but are we okay if I go ahead and write this on the bottom? X over x minus 2. And then we're going to cross multiply. That's going to give us 10x minus 20 is equal to x. Are we okay with that part? 10x minus 20 is equal to x. And then I want to subtract x on both sides, which I get 9x. Add 20 on both sides, positive 20. So my final x must be 20/9. Okay, any questions on this piece? Yes, ma'am.
Why is it divided by x minus 2 but not?
Because when you have a -1, I need to bring that all to the bottom. Any other questions?